But they don't have any rules about our Pokemon plants fighting. But what is a Pokemon plant, you may ask? Let's go back 94 days and I'll explain. We were walking our dog around the block and someone was giving away free tomato seedlings. So I took one. We went to the store and bought a tomato cage and soil. We planted the seedling and fertilized it.
Okay, now stir it.
I'm growing it. Yes, I like growing. Day 4.
Boys!
And then on day 6,
Come on, check this out!
something amazing happened.
Open the door! Ray, come on, look at this! Come outside! Okay, go look at the plant! Look at the plant! Don't touch it, don't touch it! Ray! 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 Ray, do you know what this means?
Yeah.
Look, do you know what it means, Ray? Look here, Ray, don't touch. Do you know what it means? Ray, it's a Pokemon plant.
Yeah, do I look at my plant? But now Ray wanted a Pokemon plant, so we tried catching one in the wild. But we didn't have any luck. But then we went to the garden store and there was so many tomato plants. And Ray caught one. I'm digging the hole because I like digging holes. And it turned out to be a Pokemon plant too.
Okay, Ray, there's something on your tomato plant. Do you want to see? Let's go look.
Yeah. It is. It was tomato. I think it's not tomato. It's watermelon tomato.
Wait, what do you think it is?
Watermelon tomato.
A watermelon tomato?
Yeah. Even if our Pokemon plants weren't Pokemon plants, it would still be really fun. We love looking after our tomato plants, and they were turned out to be so big, and the tomatoes were so good. It takes a long time, but it's worth it.
Ray, what are those big red things?
Tomatoes. With tomatoes.
What's your tomato plant's name?
Tomato.
What's your tomato plant's name?
Mega Tomato X.
Do you know what time it is?
No. Poke Battle.
Ready? Fight!
Use Flame Blast! Attack! Use Spell Blast! Green Sword! Use Laser Beam! Laser Beam!
Yeah.
And by the way, Pokemon plants aren't real. We were just pretending. But tomato plants are real, and they're fun to grow and plant and eat their tomatoes. So try planting your own. Thanks for watching. watching. See you later.